Oh, hi, May. Is it your new
Hi.
room?
Yes, this is my new room. Get out! Welcome to the loft room.
Here.
Here we are again. We removed the old one, and as you can see, there's tons more space and my pile of clothes. And so the next step is putting in the new closet.
Let's see how it's gonna work.
This works. Oh, we can hang this up.
Today we're gonna paint the walls and disassemble the bed.
Are you videoing?
What are you most excited of?
The cafeteria food. $1.
So we're supposed to look for the closet, but May keeps being stuck in the cup section.
Wood one? Would it get dirty?
How are we doing so far?
I'll sit.
I got math in my pocket.
Fill it up. Take it home. That's the World Trade Center, right there.
I'll just be chilling here, learning to play the guitar. Because now I have space.
Bye, May.